The future of fleet washing is here, and early adopters are already winning. What if the competitive advantage your transport business needs is already available today? While many companies are still relying on traditional depot process, a growing number of fleet operators around the world are quietly transforming the way they manage vehicle cleaning, depot efficiency, and operational performance, and the results are becoming impossible to ignore. The transportation industry is entering a new era. Customers expect higher standards. Operating costs continue to rise. Labor trials are becoming more common. And at the same time, businesses are under pressure to operate faster, smarter, and more efficiently than ever before. In this environment, companies that continue using outdated processes often find themselves working harder just to maintain the same result. Meanwhile, early adopters of automation are creating a very different future. Imagine a depot where vehicles move smoothly through the cleaning process without long waiting time. Imagine reducing dependency on large cleaning team while maintaining consistent vehicle presentation every day. Imagine creating an operation that can handle future growth without adding unnecessary complexity. This is no longer a vision of the future. It is already happening in transport operations that have embraced automation. One of the biggest advantages of modern automated wash systems is that they do much more than cleaning vehicles. They have created predictable workflow. They improve operational consistency. They strengthen fleet image, and perhaps more importantly, they allow management team to focus on growth rather than constantly solving routine operational challenges. At Go&Go, we have designed our automated wash system specifically for the demand of modern transport companies, whether operating city buses, tourism coaches, airport shuttle, or large commercial fleets. Business needs solutions that can support long-term efficiency and scalability. Our systems are built to help companies prepare for that future today. The company leading tomorrow's transport industry are not waiting for change to happen. They are investing smarter infrastructure now. They understand that competitive advantage is rarely created overnight. It is built through strategic decisions that improve operation year after year. The future of fleet washing is already here. The only question is whether the company will be among the business that benefits from it first. If you are ready to modernize your depot, improve operational efficiency, and position your business for long-term success, contact Go&Go today. Discover why forward-thinking transport companies around the world are choosing automatic washing solutions as part of their growth strategy.